Alright, today we're going to be doing a bike check on my BMX bike. So let's start out with the frame. Alright, my frame is a Fit 2009 TRL2 20-inch top tube. Weighs about 10.3 pounds, and it's pretty good. Alright, now we're going to go to my rear wheel. I have the Odyssey Path 20 by 2.5 street tires. They're white, obviously. Then I have an Alienation rear rim with just plain black spokes and an Alienation hub. Then I have a red pedals by Odyssey. They are Odyssey spin pedals with the red chain also. And then I have an Alienation seat with an Odyssey white seat post, both pivotal obviously. Then I have, for my front tire, I have a red Primo rim with the Odyssey 2.5 Path tires, street in white. Then I have stock forks, stock bars, and animal grips. So far this is my bike check. I'll be keeping you guys updated, and thanks for watching my video. Alright, bye.